Afro Ambient, the sound of tomorrow's soul. Press play, subscribe, and let it hold you for a while.
Afro Ambient Music.
I used to write songs on brown paper bags. Now they all burn dry and broken memories. Still hold it up, still hurt. Ash on my tongue from the words I believe. Gold on my tooth, but my soul feel leave. Preacher in the hoodie, prophet and sons. Bible in my lap full of cross-style hymns. I done seen angels trade halos for heat. Her coded cries in the kick of a beat. My sermon ain't clean, it's straight from the curb. These balls in rhyme. Every day it calls smoke still rises. When the choir's gone quiet, every word I say has got a ghost behind it. Every day it calls smoke still rises. When the choir's gone quiet, every word I say I got a ghost behind it. God tithe is paid in trauma, baptized in gin. Confession booth empty, I talk to the wind. Try to clone me, but I glitch through the mold. I'm the sound of your silence, encrypted in soul. Can't monetize what was never for sale, but I clone every wound a divine detail. So if I vanish, let this loop be my prayer. A smoky song for the ones who still care. Smoke still rising when the choir's gone quiet. Every word I say has got a ghost behind. Smoke still rising. Smoke still rising. When the choir's gone quiet. Every word I say has got a ghost behind. Don't save me, just remember me. Oh, don't save me, just remember me.
If something in this moved you, hit subscribe. The next track might just speak to you louder.